Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 47. We are on Unit 4. So this is Checkup Challenge. So this is Activity 2. Write questions with the verbs and your own ideas. Answer for you with for or since. So you may refer to page 121 of this workbook. So for the grammar reference. So you may refer or recall back what you have learned. Number 1, so this is a verb. So you need to change to past participle. So how long? So this is auxiliary verb here. Have you, so pronouns. Wanted, so this is past participle. And then how long have you wanted to? So maybe, so this is your own ideas. So I will use my ideas. So it is up to you to use your own ideas. So how long have you wanted to chat with your friend? So I've wanted to chat with my friend so we use for here, so for at least 1 hour. So remember to put a full stop here, but this is already, so we have this full stop here. So at least 1 hour. And number 2, so this is a verb. How long have you lived? So we add D here. Lived in Malaysia. So already put question mark here. And then your answer. So I have. So I will write in full for this auxiliary verb. I have lived. Past participle. In Malaysia. So we use since I was 3 years old. So this is just an example. And then full stop. Number 3, so how long have you played? We add ed. How long have you played piano? Or you may choose other musical instrument also. So piano. I have played piano for 5 years. Number 4, how long have you so this verb here maybe you will confuse. So how long have you? So this have, its past participle is had. And you may refer to the irregular verbs on the last page of this workbook. So how long have you had? So maybe lunch in the canteen. And then question mark. So I have had lunch in the canteen for half an hour. Number 5. How long have you liked? So past participle, we add a D. To watch Korean drama. How long have you liked to watch Korean drama? So your answer, I have liked to watch Korean drama since last year. So next we go to activity 3. Read and write the missing words. So maybe I maximize it a bit. Jeff is a new student at our school. He has only been here a week. So this is, we need to use for a week. But he has made a lot of friends. So this is already. He has already made a lot of friends. He hasn't met all the teachers yet. And then dash. And he done his maths homework. So this is hasn't or has not. He hasn't done his maths homework, so I don't know if he's a good student. But I know he's good at sport. So this is he has, so he's played basketball. He's played basketball in the gym, but he hasn't joined the team yet. He loves food too. He's already, so this is been. He's already been to the canteen and tried all the pizzas. How, so this is how long. How long have I known Jeff? How long have I known Jeff? I've only known him. This is Monday, so you need to use since. I've only known him since Monday, but we become really good friends. But we, so this is have. But we have become really good friends. So that's it for today. So this is Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 47. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. And then you can consume the related contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it. You can join my Telegram robot that I developed.